The BC Civil Liberties Association is seeking leave to intervene in a case that's challenging Alberta's Bill C-10, the Public Health Emergency Powers Amendment Act. Bill C-10 is a dangerous and unconstitutional new law. The law gives sweeping powers to Alberta's premier and cabinet ministers, allowing them to make new laws on the fly without the approval of the Legislative Assembly. There's not even a requirement in the legislation that the government publicize or publish changes to the law. How is it even possible for Albertans to hold officials accountable for secret laws? The Albertan government claims that these sweeping powers are necessary to allow the government to respond quickly to the COVID-19 health crisis. But Alberta's Public Health Act already gives broad legal powers to the government. For example, the power to force quarantines and order physical distancing. Alberta is the only province or territory in the nation to enact this type of broad power grab. The Public Health Emergency Powers Amendment Act became law in Alberta in March 2020. Alberta's government rushed the bill through the legislature in less than 48 hours in a vote that fractured along party lines. Since the bill was enacted, government ministers in Alberta have rushed to decree new laws, with at least 9 ministries enacting more than 35 new orders and amending over 20 pieces of legislation, all without any legislative debate or oversight. Some of these changes are the types of health orders you might expect during a health crisis. For example, mandating stricter quarantine requirements. Others appear more opportunistic, such as granting industry a blanket suspension on environmental reporting requirements. Others raise very serious civil liberties and privacy concerns, such as the order that allows police to access the private COVID-19 testing results of people that they have contact with. The BC Civil Liberties Association has been working to uphold democratic rights and freedoms for over 50 years. We know that civil liberties are often imperiled in times of fear and uncertainty, and that's why we're going to court to stop this unconstitutional law.